The O sound. When your lips form a circular formation, and your lips stretch away from your mouth forming an exact O, it's as if you're blowing on a candle. For example, cold, told, roll, bold, fold, mold, hold, gold, poultry, lower, blower, chorus, torn, born, horn, thorn. These winters were very cold this time. Haven't I told you the rules already? In bowling you need to roll the ball. Always be bold and brave. Can you please fold your clothes properly? Pottery needs to be molded accurately. You hold my hand, I'll hold yours. These days everyone is in search of gold. I've heard there's a lot of money in poultry farming. Can you please lower your window? Is the blower on? I think it is. Let's all try singing in a chorus. You know what? I was torn inside when you told me the truth. Some people are very lucky to be born on the 1st of January. I think I just stepped on a thorn, it really hurts.